This is the worked examples video for pressure. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, use pressure equals force over area. Second, use P equals RHO, GH for liquids. And third, rearrange each equation. Two equations here. Pressure equals force over area. The triangle has force on top, pressure and area underneath. And for a liquid, pressure equals RAO GH, density times G times depth. Keep units consistent, force in newtons, area in square meters, and pressure comes out in pascals. Let's find a pressure. A force of 200 newtons acts on an area of 4 square meters. Write the equation. Pressure equals force over area. Substitute 200 divided by 4. That's 50 pascals. Now a liquid pressure calculation. Water has a density of 1000 kilograms per cubic metre, and we're 3 meters down with G equal to 10. Write the equation. Pressure equals RHOGH. Substitute 1000 times 10 times 3. That's 30,000 pascals, and that's on top of the atmospheric pressure already pushing down. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. A 300 N force acts on 6 minutes of access. Find the pressure. Question 2. Find the pressure at 2 meters depth in water. HO for 1000, G for our sum of 10. Question 3. A pressure of 20 PA acts on 5 meters of tools. Find the force. F fuels PXA. Pause the video, work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1. 50 PA P CR share F A CR 300 C6. Number 2. 20,000 PA P ER CR CHO G H CR 1000 X 10 X2. Number 3. 100 N F CR PX A 20 X5. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.